So for today, I'm gonna be using this food chopper that my daughter gifted to me for my birthday. And then we're gonna make lumpia. Natin lahat dito. So that is carrot. Okay, so ayun yung spam. Ayun yung gusto ko na texture ng ng spam at saka ng cheese. So hindi siya masyadong durog. Onions and garlic. Okay, all vegetable in. Kaya, tignan nyo, mag-isa lang ako. One-man pod. I'm holding the camera, so mahirap siyang i-mix. And then egg. And then mix everything. And this is the wrapper that we're gonna use for our lumpia.